Good morning, everybody. It's Sunday morning, maintenance of way day on the tracks. Changed up some engines. There's a nice Union Pacific GP20 coming by. And up there is my Rock Island that I received in a trade earlier this week. This PS2 engine, she runs really nice. Coming up, here it is. This is an RS3 diesel right here, really nice. Here's some of my basement layout. Some of the photos I take. There's a Pennsylvania. I don't know what that is. It's an RS3, I think. Also, that came from an MTH auction I won previously a few weeks ago. Some more photos, some trains up there. There's an Alaska PS2, also that I won at auction. And up here is the set that got me all started. My father's original Lionel set from the early 50s. He bought it when he was a kid. I'm going to pan around the room, show you some photos, some more trains. There's some more of my layout. Got 2 tables going. Hope you enjoy.